Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you how I make my Koose or Akara, or we can call it fried bean cake. I have here soaked black eyed peas, which I soaked for about an hour. Soaking the beans for an hour helps the skin comes up very easily. I'll be rubbing my hands with the beans in water to help get the skin off. Yes, you can also use blender to do this method, but you still have to repeat the same process. I always would rather want to use my hands to begin rubbing the beans in water. Yes, and when you do that, you want to strain and get the black eye or the black skin of the beans. Yes, and then you repeat the same process again, just like how I'm doing it. So I'm rubbing the beans in my hands, both of my palms in water, and then I'll be straining it to get the black skin of the black eyed peas. Yes, so once you strain it, the black skin gets on the strainer and then the white bean stays inside the bowl. Okay, and then I will keep repeating the same process until I see more of the white beans. It really tastes better when the beans is white. Yes. Okay, and then we are done. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and soak the bean in water just for about 15 minutes before we'll blend it together with our vegetables. Our beans is ready to be blended together with our vegetables. I have yellow and red bell peppers, green onions, onion, habanero pepper, Maggie cubes, salt, and 2 eggs. So in a blender, I've added a 1/4 cup of water, and I'll be adding half of my beans to the blender, and then I'll add in onion and red bell pepper. And it's just a 1/4 size of the red bell pepper added to it. And then we blend. When blending your beans, you need a very good blender to do that. If your blender is not that strong, it will take a little while before you blend. My beans is blended very well. All of the beans is blended very well with my onion, habanero pepper, my star cube, and my red pepper. Okay, and there it is. And this is the texture I got. I was a little bit worried. I was thinking that it was too watery, but I think it was super perfect. I've added my 2 eggs and I'm adding my salt. I'll then use my hand mixer to beat the beans with the egg and the salt just for about 5 minutes. It really makes a difference. Yes, it makes it nice and fluffy. I love the way it fries in the oil. Please make sure you don't skip this step. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. I went ahead to add in some cut up bell peppers, yellow and the orange, my green onion, and it's all mixed in together with the beans, and I'm ready to fry. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can definitely use a whisk to whisk for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, and I'm using a used oil. Yes, I'm reusing my oil that I used to fry something else, and it does not hurt to reuse your oils. So I'm now beginning to fry my Koose. Yes, so the main reason why it is important to use a hand mixer or a whisk to whisk or to beat your beans is because when you put it in the oil, the Koose does not touch the bottom of the pot. It actually stays on the top of the oil. Yes, and that really makes it fry very nicely and very beautifully and golden brown. Yes, but if it touches the bottom of your pot, sometimes it's very difficult for it to bounce back up. Yes. So it is important to beat it. All right, so I'm now turning my Koose or my bean cake, all right, to make sure it fries, the other side fries as well. And we are frying until it is golden brown. So we'll just keep turning until it is to our preferred golden brown. Yes, it doesn't take long to cook this or to fry this. Yes, it does not take long at all. So it is looking good. So I'll be taking it out very, very soon. All right. And this is how you want your Koose to look. Very, very delicious and beautiful looking. Yes, so it is golden brown and it is to the perfect color I'm looking for, guys. Yes, so we'll go ahead and repeat the frying process again. And then I'm using a tablespoon. Yes, a normal spoon, but a tablespoon. And you can make it larger than this, but being that I have smaller kids, I would rather want to have a whole lot of Koose so, they don't finish it too quickly. Yes, so you can fry it in any size of your choice. All right. So when your oil is already hot, it cooks faster, so be very careful when frying it. You don't want it to burn. Yes, so you would definitely would have to turn it faster than the first batch. Yes, it is coming together very well, guys. In the frying process does not take long. Within 5 to 10 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes, the Koose in the oil should be done frying, not all the batches. All right, and then we'll take out the second batch and then we'll repeat the frying process the same way again. And the oil is still looking good. Yes, so there's the third batch. And then we'll fry until we are done frying all of our blended beans. And we'll begin to turn this one as well. Yes. And like I said, as you continue frying, the oil gets hotter and hotter. So you have to stay with your Koose so that you can be able to turn them at the right time. Yes, it is looking good. This is also a perfect golden brown. Oh, I can't wait to enjoy this. And we always enjoy Koose with Hausa cocoa. Hausa cocoa is a millet porridge. Yes, and I'll be dropping the recipe very, very soon. And my Koose is all done frying. And then I'm so quick to take them out of the oil because I can't wait to enjoy them. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing, guys. It is a very delicious and beautiful, beautiful recipe. It really takes time to make, but it is worth it. Yes, and there is the inside of the Koose. Very well done. And I paired mine with millet porridge with some milk and peanuts and my Koose on the side. Guys, thank you so much for staying until this time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye-bye.